Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to deactivate Messenger account on PC. If you're using a laptop or desktop and want to temporarily deactivate your Messenger account, you can do it through your Facebook account settings. Start by opening the Messenger desktop app or visiting Messenger on your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon to open the menu. From there, scroll down and select Privacy Policy, which redirects you to Meta Privacy Center. Inside the page, choose Manage Your Accounts and head into Personal Details under Account Settings. Here, you'll find the Account Ownership and Control, which is where Facebook manages account access option. Select Deactivation or Deletion, then choose Deactivate Account. You'll be asked to confirm your password and pick a reason for deactivating. After confirming, select how long you want a break to last and finalize by clicking Deactivate My Account. Your Messenger profile will then be temporarily deactivated or disabled. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.